Where do you live? Bari?
Palatana.
Palatana. Udipur Palatana. What is your father name?
My father name is Arjun Mazumdar.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Jumadash Mazumdar.
Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes.
Oh, here's a boy
One.
coming. Who? Prativ, come here.
Yes.
Come here and sit here.
What
But I
happened?
don't know how to teach him. He does not know anything, and you can ask him some question and you can teach him some English language. He does not know English language, so give him some advice.
Okay, so first tell me that what is your name?
My name is sreejoy Mazumdar.
What? Sreejoy Mozumdar.
Yes.
Okay, now what is your father name
My father name is Arjun Mazumdar.
and your mother name?
My mother name is Jumadash Mazumdar.
Okay, do you have any brother or sister? Brother or sister?
Yes. One.
One brother. Like try to repeat with me. I have one brother. Repeat with me. I have.
I have one brother.
Yes, I have one brother. Always just say that long answer. Okay, so long answer. So just remember it. And now tell me, what is your school name?
My school name is Palatana High School.
Palatana High School. Yes, which school is in Udaipur? Okay,
Yes.
I understand. And now tell me, in which class do you study?
Class 5.
I say with me, I study
I study class 5.
I study in class 5. I study in class 5. And then like tell me that how many hands do you have? Hands.
2 hands.
You have 2 hands. And how many legs do you have?
2 legs.
Like say me, I have 2 legs. I have 2 hands. I have
I have 2 legs.
I have
2 legs.
I have 2
Legs
and hands.
and 2 hands.
Okay, you have to use here have. I have 2 hands. I have 2 legs. And now tell me, how many fingers do you have?
5 fingers.
No, again say I have 5 fingers. I have
I have 5 fingers.
means I have 5 finger means আমার কাছে আছে 5টা আঙ্গুল আমার 2টো পাও আছে okay you understand
Yes.
and now tell me that what you like drawing art writing playing with friends what you like
Drawing.
okay you like to draw
Yes.
okay and now like tell me that how many eyes do you have
2 eyes.
2 eyes 2 eyes and what is eyes like show me in your mouth like this is called eyes or this is called eyes what say like which your eyes? This is your eyes
Yes.
okay and how many ears do you have
2 ears.
2 ears and how many nose you have
1 nose.
1 nose okay we everyone have 1 nose and now tell me that what is this called what is this
Water.
water and what is this material what we called it
Plastic.
okay no like we say it that bottle yes or not bottle
Yes.
water bottle so first like when it is when the water is inside the bottle it is called water bottle okay water bottle and the material of the bottle is the plastic okay you understand well yes and now tell me that 5 flowers name just 5 flowers
Rose, lily, lotus,
yes and 2
marigold,
and the last one
hibiscus,
okay hibiscus they are so beautiful and which flower you like means what is your favorite flower
sunflowers,
okay sunflower and now what is tell me 5 fruit only 5 fruit
jackfruit,
yes jackfruit
apple,
apple
mango,
apple and mango and the another 2 like banana
Banana.
you like banana
yes,
and then the last one tell me the last one after banana What is?
Amrut.
Yes, Amrut. So yes, you are right. And you say me, in which class do you study?
Class 5.
Okay, in class 5. So do you know any story name? Do you know any story?
Yes.
Which story? Means what is the story name? What is the story name? I listen that the first story of the class 5 is just the Wonderful West.
Yes.
So do you know Wonderful West?
Yes.
So now tell me something. If you don't know, then I will help you. Tell me something about this story. So okay, I understand that you can't explain me, right? So now just listen to me, okay? Listen me first and then it will be easy for you. So I will tell you the story. I will explain you the story first. So once upon a time, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Okay, order a grand dinner in his palace, and then he just ordered that everyone will come. He invited lots of relatives, lots of friends in his palace, and then everyone also decided to go there. So for the feast, the Maharaja entered in the kitchen to survey the dishes. Means survey means he wanted to see what is going in the kitchen, what the cooks are just preparing. And then when the Maharaj entered in the kitchen, he saw a cook who was just holding a big basket of small vegetable scraps. And the Maharaja said to him that where are you going? Where are you going to do with these scraps of vegetable? The cook said that they are always, we will throw them away. And then the Maharaja felt so sorry and he said that you can't waste all of these vegetable scraps. Find a way to use them. And then the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. And then the cook was in a fixed. Now what he will do? He just thought and thought and thought. And then suddenly idea flashed. Flash means an idea came in his mind. And then the cook took a very big pot and then he added all of the vegetable scraps there. And he also added some ingredients like chilies, garlics, onion, and also coconut a lot. And then he mixed it properly. And then he added there the salt. We know you eat the salt, and also you need the salt in every dishes. So he used the salt, and also he added a few spoonful of coconut oil. He just added there a few spoonful of coconut oil, and then after doing, he just mixed and mixed. A tempting smell started coming from the pot, and then the cook just added some curd, and also with the chili, with the curry, with the like curry, with the curry leaves, he just decorated the dish. And then he served the dish to everyone. And then when everyone tasted the dish, they felt so happy. Then they say the cook that what is this dish name? And the what is the dish name? Do you know what is the dish name? What is the again say? What is the dish name?
Avial.
Yes, avial. And from there, the avial became the most famous dish from Kerala. And they also, now also, if they do some any occasion, they use the avial there. So guys, this is the story. In the last, I want to share something, some keys that you just noticed me that I used with him the simple basic sentences, like what is your name, what is your father name, what is your mother name, like the normal sentences. And it also is very helpful for him. First, that don't think that he did not do the grammar rules, he can't speak the grammar rules, if I ask him he can't speak. No, he need to answer the simple question and then the hard one. And also listening is a very art. I asked him and then I just explained him a story, means he is listening my story. So this thing I wanna say to everyone, that first of all, just try to do the communication with the normal basic words, and then you can do. So it was the video, guys. Bye bye. So please say subscribe and like.
Yes.
Please say subscribe and like. Say with me that subscribe
Subscribe
and like.
and like.
So guys, bye bye. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. So bye.